I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will further explore compound angle formula for trigonometric expressions. Question here is, simplify sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b divided by cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So let me first write down all the formulas, since we have just begun to start working with compound angles, and then we'll simplify. So what is sine of a plus b? Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, correct? Now what is sine of a minus b? So it is good time for you to write down these formulas. So along with me, you can actually pause the video and write these formulas, solve the question. So it is cos a sine b. So whenever we have minus here, we have minus here. For plus, we have plus. That is how sine a plus b is. Now let me also write down cos a plus b formulas, right? So we'll write cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b. But we have minus this time here, right? Sine a sine b. And cos of a minus b is cos a cos b, and you guessed it, we have to change the sign. It becomes sine a sine b. Okay, so that is what the question is. So first thing, you should know the formulas. These are your formulas. Now let us look at it. The numerator is sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So basically we have to add these two. So when we add these two, what do we get? Okay, so let's write down. So sine a cos b, they add up, and we get 2 sine a cos b, correct? Plus cos a sine b minus cos a sine b cancel out. So it is plus 2 sine a cos b. So we can write numerator as 2 sine a cos b, correct? Now let's see the denominator. So in case of denominator, if I add them up, right? See, I can change this question. I can write subtract this and make many combinations. So you solve like this, right? Then you write down your formula and then you add them up, right? When you add them up, then what happens with cosines? Minus and plus. So the right side becomes 0. The left side is 2 cos a cos b. So we get 2 cos a cos b. So the denominator for us is 2 times cos a cos b, right? So this kind of question will be solved in this particular fashion, right? So don't complicate it much. Write down your formulas, visualize, understand. And then say from here, let's say you can say you proved it, right? So you say this plus this is equation 1 and this plus this is equation 2. And then you just substitute the values. Now we can simplify it, right? So we can simplify this. 2 and 2 cancel, cos b cancel. We are left with sine a over cos a, right? Which is indeed tan a. So in this particular case, we get, so 2 and 2 cancels, cos b cancels, and we get that sine a plus b plus sine a minus b divided by cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to tan a. Now you got the idea, right? So what you can do is, you can do questions like this. Simplify, let me change the question, right? Sine a plus b minus sine a minus b, right? Divided by cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, right? So that is for you to practice. Follow the same pattern and I hope that should be easy for you. Thank you and all the best.